Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abidal Farzan Rosyidi. So in this video, I would like to make a tutorial again about how to make a simple game in the microbit. It was crazy, right? Microbit game? Is it can combine? Or maybe there is a game in the microbit? Of course. But I just gonna make a simple game that everybody, maybe all the population of this world, peoples already play about it. Do you know what is this? Yeah, rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors game is already get played by almost almost all of the worlds. And then now and then people play with the hand. But now we're gonna play it with the microcontroller or microbit. So yeah, we gotta code it. Don't forget to support this channel too. Yeah. Okay. First, you guys must have this microcontroller or microbit. Then the next is open the makecode.microbit.org websites. Okay, you already in here. Oh yeah, before I wanna demo you and then I will show you how to play it. This is a microbit. And then in this microbit there is a code that we can use for playing a rock paper scissors game. How to play it? Yeah, it's simple. Just shake it like this. When you shake it, they will show icons. I don't know. There's rock, paper, or scissors. This is randomly like this. Just show the paper, show the scissors, paper again, and paper again, and scissors, scissors, paper, paper, scissors, paper, and rock and roll. Okay, let's go. So now we're gonna make it code from this first new project. We're gonna go to rock paper rock paper. Yes, this is it. RPS. Yeah, for that one, RPS. RPS. Okay, let's go. We gotta wait until this. Okay. Oh, I'm sleepy. Okay. For variable code, we don't need this one. Just on start and others. And don't forget, you guys can show LEDs like this. Then give it a icon. I just gonna draw this one icon that is F alphabet because I am Farzan and then the first alphabet that in my name is F, so I gotta use F. And then yeah, the next is go to the input, then take on check block code, and then make a variable name hand. Okay, and then take this set hand to take pick random block code from the math menu like this one. Okay, then pick random to until two to two, and then check if true then else from the logic, and then add more. Hey, wait until this. Okay, already. Then yeah, check in the logic again. This the zero is zero when if zero is zero then and then duplicate it two times and then check variables again, give it to here, duplicate it and then already. And then this one is one. mm, Okay, this one. Pick random from 1 until 2. Okay. And then we gotta see in here. Go to the basics. And then take a show icon. The first that we need is pepper. Where's pepper? Pepper. And then rock. And the last is scissors. We're gonna play in here first. Okay. Okay, pepper. Shake it again. Why is it not? Okay, there's in here again. Wait a minute, guys. Let me fix the bug. With 3. Yeah, let me try. Let's try. Let me let me fix the bug. Wait a minute. Okay, let's go. We're gonna see before the results. Okay. Okay. Maybe we gotta download it first. Download. If there's bugs, we're gonna fix it again. And then go to downloads. Then take this. Microbot RPX hex. Take it to here, the microbit. Then we're gonna see the result of here. In here. Yeah, we're gonna see the result. If there's a bugs, yeah, I gotta record it again if there's bugs. Yeah. Okay. So there is still in here. Have alphabet. We gotta shake it. Pepper. Okay. We gotta see it again. Okay. There's no bugs in here. Okay, guys. There's no bugs in here. There is already a rock paper scissors. This is rock and scissors. And then this is rock again. Scissors, rock, and then pepper. Okay. Maybe that's all about my tutorial video. I'm sorry if mistake any words. Okay. That's what I want to say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys in our next video. Bye.